Good afternoon, students. Today, accountancy revision part. Saturday is what? Saturday, accountancy exam. Some latecomer, some late admission students. Listen, students, you clearly watch this video. You attend accountancy exam. Easy, students, very, very easy only. Okay, listen, you carefully each and every sum you watch. Okay, first I explain accounting equation. The accounting equation is main one type of formula is asset equal to capital plus liability. That is accounting equation formula. Listen, students, this is very, very important formula. Asset equal to liability plus capital plus revenue. Expense only you expenses each and every sums expenses less only. Okay, the short form formula is asset equal to liability, capital and liability equal to asset. Okay, this formula is very, very important. That formula is accounting equation formula. I explain in one sum. Listen, students, each and every sums you read carefully. First, you one or two times you read in question. First, show the accounting equation on the basic following transaction of Ronnie, who is dealing in the automobiles. First one, started business with cash. Second one, brought goods on credit from Ramesh. Purchased furniture for cash. Paid creditors by cash. Listen, students, you write double side paper. You clearly put each column you write. Okay, but this is small entries means you write one side, but 5, 6, 7 entry means you use double side paper. First column you write transaction. Next one, asset. What is asset? Mostly fixed asset, tangible or intangible asset. Land is what? Intangible asset. Tangible asset means furniture, machine, that is tangible asset. Asset oriented content divided in only in asset column only. Okay, cash. Listen, some question is furniture, say furniture not enter, but machine means you write, do not write in furniture, machine only you write. Okay, you again and again one or two times you read, you which content you reflected this question means that content only you put divided into column. Cash is already entered this. Next one, stock. Furniture. Furniture not means some machine means you write only this side, machine only you write. Okay, next capital. Next one, creditors. First one, started a business with cash 80,000 rupees. Cash. Cash means you write cash only you write. Next one, 80,000 cash. Started a business with means that is capital. Started a business with means that is capital. You write capital. Next one, first one entry you write means one line is fully you close. That what amount you enter means that amount next line you write. Okay, that is equation. Equation is what? Cash is 80,000, capital is 80,000. One question is over. Second one is Goods purchased on credit from Ramesh. Good purchased. Goods means stock. Goods means stock. How much? 10,000. Stock is available in 10,000 rupees. Stock is available. Stock means asset. You 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees. You goods produce mean produced goods. That goods is asset. Next one, credit from Ramesh. Credit purchase only. Credit column you write 10,000. Next one, purchased furniture for cash. Already available cash is how much you having your hand? 80,000 rupees cash. One you bring 6,000 rupees, you purchase one new chair. Order automatically minus 6,000. 6,000 minus furniture column you enter 6,000. Next one, the equation 80,000 minus 6,000 balance is 74,000. Stock is same amount 10,000. Furniture new added in 6,000. Capital same 80,000. Creditor same 10,000. Fourth one, paid creditors by cash 8,000. Paid creditors in 8,000. How much cash is available your hand? Already 6,000 is one furniture. You bring new furniture. Next one 74,000 only. Your hand is available cash balance. Again one time you paid creditors by cash is how much paid? 8,000. 74,000 minus 84,000 equal to 66,000. Same asset content, no one new entry. Same 10,000 only. Furniture is same only. Next one, capital and creditors. You paid creditors 2,000. Already your credit, how much you credit amount? 10,000 rupees you credit. Credit means what? Borrow. Some borrowing amount is 10,000. You paid 8,000 means how much is reflect balance is what? 10,000 is borrowing your friend. You paid 8,000 is how much is balance? 2,000 only balance. That formula is, listen students, A equal to C plus L. A is how much? 66,000, 10,000, 6,000. The totally 66, 76, 82,000. Totally asset oriented content value is 82,000. This side equal to capital plus liability added 82,000. Same answer only you reflected means your sum is correct only. Same answer only reflected means your answer is correct only. Okay, easy students, you read 1 or 2 times, you read question in carefully, you read easy only. Next one, classification of accounts. Classification of accounts is very easy. Personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account is what? Some person name is mentioned means that is personal account. Personal account, some institution's name, BSNL, some company, bank account, bank name, your bank name means that is personal account only. Next one, outstanding salary, outstanding prepaid rent, expense, some outstanding payable to persons, that is personal only. Next one, real account. Real account means some asset oriented content or real account. Asset oriented content or real account. Nominal account is the accounting relating to expense of loss, revenue and gain are called as nominal account. Nominal account is salary, wages, income, interest, that is nominal account. Very easy. Some particular name or person name mentioned means that is personal account. Real account means tangible, intangible, asset oriented contents. Nominal account is accounting related to some losses or some revenue is called nominal account. Next one is journal entry. Listen students, journal entry is a very important sum only. The journal entry is you write first the book of journal entry in the accountancy note is top of the column is the book of Jayasili journal entry. Next date, particular LF date, debit, credit. Okay, you listen students, journal entries is a very easy entry only. Incoming cash means you write DR. Outgoing means CR only, you write CR only. Incoming content means that is, first one is commenced business with cash. Commenced business means automatically capital only. Commenced business means each and every journal entry, this line of this method of first entry. The commenced business with cash means what? Commenced business means start a business. Cash account DR. Incoming journal entry means you read carefully. Income oriented content you write DR. Outgoing is CR. Incoming means DR means you write cash account DR. Jayasili capital account is CR. CR means that word CR symbol do not mention. Listen students, do not write in CR. Okay, you write only in that last line, last word is you write DR. Okay. Next one, deposited cash with bank. Deposited means you some amount use liquid cash means that amount is you deposit in your account. Is your account means automatically cash account. What? Incoming or outgoing? Cash is outgoing to bank. Bank account D or cash account CR. Purchase goods by paying cash. Purchase goods by paying cash. Is cash is incoming or outgoing? Cash is outgoing. Purchased goods means automatically bulk. Some goods is incoming. Incoming oriented content is what? Incoming oriented content is DR. Outgoing content is CR. Okay. Next some activities 79 page number. Listen students, each lesson book back one word is very important. This 3 lesson compulsory you read one words very carefully. You again and again you read one words. Students activity. First one, listen students. Goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash means you go on shop, some goods is you purchased. Which one is incoming? Which one is outgoing? Cash is outgoing. Purchase is what? Purchase is incoming means that is DR account. Second entry, received in 18,800 from in full settlement of the due of 19,000. One person is 19,000 is due, but that person is some Paid in 18,800 only paid. 200 rupees is what? Discount. 200 rupees is discount only. Okay. Next one's journal entry. DR and CR you already note it down. You write only in narration only you write. Okay. Cash account DR, capital Sham, capital account CR. That is commence business with cash. Next one, bank account DR, cash account CR mean deposited cash into bank. Deposited cash into bank. Okay students, listen, very easy. You carefully watch this video. Okay, next accountancy exam you write carefully. You write, hurry up, and correct time you download it students. Okay, you late submission means your mark is reduced only. Okay students, thank you. Next class, next one, new topic discuss.